everyone, welcome to Kanchipuram VRK Silks live show. Our Kanchipuram VRK Silks is 2 decades old trusted brand and especially known for variety of designs in different collections. And we have a name for purest and finest silks in the entire fashion industry. And yes, we have 36 plus showrooms all across South India. So today in our live, I'm going to show you a very beautiful collection that is Gadwal sarees. So without any delay, let's get started. See, here I'm wearing a very amazing one. It's with green and pink color combination. And all over the body it has got silver and golden zari mango buttas. And see the border, it has got a very big one here. In contrast color, it's a pink color. Big designer border with peacock and flower design. And here we have a very beautiful pallu for the saree. It's in pink color. Rich pallu with mango design. And here is the blouse. It's a plain blouse with border. So the item code for this beautiful saree is LV2566 and weaver's price is 16,950 rupees only. Now let's check out next saree. So here we have another beautiful one. And see, it's a very pretty color. It's a red and black color combination. And all over body, it's plain with silver zari buttas. And here we have a contrast border. It's in black color. It's a bintex border. And also it has a mango, flower and rudraksha booties. And see the pallu. It's a designer pallu with diamond cut design. And it has a black blouse as well. See, it's a contrast color for the saree. And it's plain with border. And the item code for the saree is LV2564 and weaver's price is 22,295 rupees only. Next saree. Wow. Here we have a very pretty saree. See the color combination. It's a rare color combination. It's a parrot green with purple. Looks very pretty. And this saree has all over gold and silver zari dollar buttas. And see the border in contrast color, that is purple color. It's a gala border, and also you can see here it has a temple design as well. Wow, it has a very beautiful border pallu here in contrast color, that is purple color. And when it comes with blouse, here the contrast one. And it has gold and silver zari dollar buttas, you can see here, and also it has a border. So the item code for this pretty saree is LV2565 and weaver's price is 22,345 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have another Gadwal saree. See? Looks very beautiful. It's a beige with yellow color combination. See, it has all over checks, silver zari checks on the body with a beautiful peacock golden zari booties on it. And see the border. Looks very classic. It's in contrast color for the saree. It's an yellow and green color combination here. And see the pallu. Yellow color one, contrast color for the saree, and also it has got a diamond cut rich design. And here is the beautiful blouse for this. It's a horizontal lines plain blouse with border. So the item code for this beautiful saree is LV1404 and weaver's price of this saree is 27,395 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have a yellow color saree with green color combination. See, looks plain and elegant. It has all over golden zari designer mango booties. And see the border. In contrast color, it's a green color diamond cut designer mango booties border. And here is a beautiful pallu for the saree. Has got a very pretty one. It's a designer rich pallu and it is in contrast color for the saree. And finally here we have a very pretty blouse for the saree. See, it's in green color. It's plain with border. So the item code for this saree is LV1405 and weaver's price of this saree is 19,845 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have another beautiful one. It's a Gadwal saree, and see the color, looks very pretty. It's a peach pink with green color combination. You can see here, and all over the body it has got mango and silver zari booties. You can see the border, very big one, and it's in contrast color, that is green color. Also it has got golden zari design all over. And here we have a pallu. It's a rich cross weaving pallu with parrots and flower design. And here is the blouse. It's in contrast color for the saree. You see the color combination. It's a very beautiful color combination. And here is the blouse. It's a green color plain blouse with border. And the item code for this pretty saree is LV2576 and weaver's price of this saree is 34,950 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have mustard with beige color saree. Very beautiful collection. And see, this saree has got elephant golden zari buttas all over the body. You can have a close look here. It looks very pretty. And see the border. It's in contrast color for the saree, that is beige color. It's a designer border. It has got Rudraksha designer booties. And see the pallu here in contrast color as well. It's a rich pallu with Rudraksha and mango design. And this saree has got a very pretty blouse here. It's a contrast one and it's plain with border. So the item code for this saree is LV2571 and weaver's price of this saree is 19,845 rupees only. So if you like any of the sarees, all you have to do is just take the screenshot along with the item code of the saree and send it to our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is 9696678666. Now let's take out next saree. And here we have another pretty saree. It's a Gadwal saree and it is very beautiful one. It's a dark peach with purple color combination. So, and it has all over plain body with golden zari kari and Rudraksha booties. And here is a beautiful border for the saree. It's in contrast color, that is purple color with golden zari design. You see the border. Looks ethnic. It's in contrast color and it has a golden zari rich design. And the blouse is also in contrast color for the saree here, and it's plain with border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV2061 and weaver's price is 28,195 rupees only. Next saree. Wow, here we have a very amazing one. See, looks very unique. And it's a royal blue with magenta purple combination. You can see here, have a look at this. Has got a very pretty design. Here, it's a peacock and chakra booties with gold and silver zari. And see the border. It has got a very different border compared to the other sarees. It is in magenta purple color. It has parrots and jal flower booties all over. And see the pallu. Got a different unique pallu as well. It's a designer rich pallu. And finally the blouse is here. See, it is paired up with a contrast blouse with border. Very beautiful one, and the item code for this saree is L6276 and weaver's price is 29,295 rupees. Next saree. So here we have sky blue with green color combination. And this saree has got golden zari rudraksha booties with peacock design all over the body. And see the border has got green color, that is contrast color for the saree, and also it has got a zari flower with meenakari design on it. And here is a beautiful pallu for the saree. It is in contrast color for the saree. It's green with golden zari rich design. And here I show you the blouse finally here. It's a contrast color plain blouse with border. So the item code for this saree is LV2581 and weaver's price of this saree is 30,595 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have got a ethnic saree. See, it's a Gadwal saree and very beautiful one. It's with orange and purple color combination. See, all over the body it has got orange color with zari, all over zari checks with gold and silver zari. And also you can see here it has got gold and silver zari rudraksha booties as well. It has a very big border, contrast one. And here I show you the pallu of the saree. It's a rich designer pallu. And it has a very unique blouse here, see. It's a purple color checks blouse with border. And the item code for this pretty saree is LV4129 and weaver's price of this saree is 24,845 rupees only. Next saree. Wow. Here we have a red with mustard yellow color combination saree. Very smooth fabric. And this saree has got a tiny checks with flower booties design all over the body with golden zari. You can see here. And see the border, very beautiful one in contrast color for the saree, that's yellow color with temple design. And have a look at this pallu, so contrast color pallu, designer pallu, and this saree has got contrast blouse as well here. It goes very well with the saree and it's plain with border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV2574 and weaver's price of this saree is 21,545 rupees only. Next saree. Wow. Here we have a black color saree with pink color combination. And see, all over the body it has got beautiful golden zari booties, kairi designer booties. And see the color, very beautiful color. And the border, it's in contrast, that is pink color, golden zari, diamond cut peacock and elephant designer border. Here is a pallu, contrast color, golden zari designer pallu. It has a contrast blouse as well. You can see here, it's a pink color, plain blouse with border. Very beautiful saree. If you are searching for a black saree, I suggest you to go for the saree as it looks very beautiful. And the item code for the saree is LV2049 and weaver's price of this saree is 15,895 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have another pink color saree. It's in combination with purple color. And here it has a plain body with all over silver and golden zari kairi booties. It has got a small border here in contrast color with golden zari zigzag design. And see the pallu, it's a rich pallu. It's in contrast color for the saree. And it has a contrast blouse as well. See? It's a purple color and it's plain with border. So the item code is LV2055 and weaver's price of this saree is 14,950 rupees only. Next saree. Wow. Here we have cream with pink color combination saree. As I told you, all the sarees are Gadwal sarees. We have a very beautiful collection today. And see this saree. This saree has got all over golden zari kairi with flower designer booties on the body. And a contrast border which makes the saree looks even more beautiful. And see, it's in pink color. Also, it has got a temple design here. And here is the pallu, contrast color pallu with rich in golden zari design. And here we have a plain blouse that is in contrast color for the saree with border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV2546 and weaver's price of this saree is 19,845 rupees only. Next saree. Wow, here we have another black saree. But this saree is in combination with ice blue color. And it has got all over golden zari flower booties. You can have a close look here. It looks very pretty. And see the border. It's a contrast color that is ice blue color with diamond cut design. And here we have a very pretty pallu for the saree. So contrast one. Rich pallu with floral and mango temple design. And when it comes to the blouse, it has a plain blouse but is in contrast color with border. And the item code for this pretty saree is M0583 and weaver's price is 18,645 rupees only. Next saree. Here we have a blue with pink color combination saree. It's very traditional and this saree has got all over Rudraksha and silver and golden zari buttas. And the big border here. One side we have a small one and the other side we have a very big border. So it's in contrast color for the saree. And the beautiful pallu, grand rich pallu with mango design. And for this saree, we have a very beautiful blouse. It's in pink color and it's plain with border. And the item code for the saree is LV1395 and weaver's price of this saree is 30,695 rupees. Next saree. So we have another saree here. You see the color combination, very unique color combination. It's a green with blue color combination. And all over the body it has got a tiny golden zari small checks. You can have a close look. It looks very ethnic and see the border. It's a sky blue color gala designer border. You see the saree. It looks very stylish with a different color combination. And here we have a contrast pallu, designer rich pallu. And see the blouse. It has got a blue blouse here. It has a small checks with gala border. So the item code for this saree is LV2329 and weaver's price of this saree is 15,545 rupees. Next saree. Here we have another saree. It's a sky blue with red color combination. You can see here how unique it looks with this color combination. And see all over the body it has got checks design. It's a silver zari checks. And see the border. Looks very stylish. It's a red color gala designer border. And here we have a very pretty pallu for the saree. See, it has got diamond cut design as well as mango designer booties here. In the blouse here, this is a blouse. It's a red color plain one with border. So the item code for this pretty saree is LV2043 and weaver's price is 22,345 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have another one. It's a Rani pink with violet pink color combination. See, it has got, have a close look here. It has got very tiny checks with silver and golden zari designer booties over it. And see the border, it's a plain one, but it's a double tone golden zari rich border. And here is the pallu, it's a double tone as well. It's a golden zari rich pallu with this diamond cut design. And for this saree, it has got a very beautiful blouse here. See, it's a golden zari checks with silver and golden zari rudraksha booties designer blouse. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV2053 and the price of this saree is 20,995 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have sea blue with dark peach color combination saree. And see, have a look at the saree. It has all over golden zari dollar design on the body. And see the border. Very pretty one, that is contrast one for the saree. And it has a diamond cut design here, you can see. And the pallu, contrast pallu as well, golden zari rich pallu. And this saree is paired up with a very beautiful blouse here. It's in contrast color, it's a peach color, plain blouse with border. And the item code for this saree is LV2038 and the price of this saree is 26,245 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have orange with green color combination. All over the body it has got orange color, very pretty color and amazing color combination. And see, this saree has got silver and golden zari designer booties all over the body. It's very pretty. And have a look at this border, very beautiful one, grand designer border. And the pallu as well, see, has got a very pretty one with a contrast color. And this saree has a contrast blouse as well here. It's a plain blouse with border. So the item code for this beautiful saree is LV2022 and Vivo's price is 27,395 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have another black saree. See? So it's in combination with maroon color. And you can have a look here. It has got small silver zari checks all over the body with rudraksha booties. And see the border. It's a traditional one. It's in maroon color with golden zari plate as well as diamond cut design. And see, here's the pallu. Contrast pallu with plate and designer pallu. And for the blouse, here, it's a maroon color silver zari checks blouse with border. And the item code for this pretty saree is LV1402 and Vivo's price of this saree is 25,995 rupees only. Next saree. Wow. Here we have a blue with pink color combination. And this saree has got golden zari designer peacock booties with meena work all over the body. You can have a close look here. It looks very pretty, this design on the body. And see the border. Very beautiful combination we have here. It's a pink color border with golden zari rich design on it. And the pallu as well looks very ethnic. It's a rich and golden zari design. And finally, here we have a beautiful blouse for the saree. It's in pink color, that is contrast color for the saree, and it's plain with border. And the item code is LV1396, and reverse price of this saree is 24,945 rupees only. Next saree. Here we have red with grey color combination, and this saree has got silver zari dollar booties on the body, and here is the pretty border for the saree. It's in grey color with temple design, and a contrast pallu as well. It's a grey color zigzag designer pallu, and it comes with a very beautiful blouse. It's in grey color and it's plain with border. So the item code for this pretty saree is LV2575, and reverse price of this saree is 26,995 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have another amazing saree. It's a Gadwal saree, and see, it's a very pretty one. It has got all over golden zari meenakari booties all over the body. You can see here it has got multicolor design on the body with very small designer booties, and the big border you can see here gives a very classy look to the saree. It's in pink color, that is contrast color for the saree. Here we have a contrast pallu as well. It's a pink color designer pallu, and the blouse here, it's a plain blouse with border. So the item code is L6092, and reverse price of this saree is 16,245 rupees. So I'll repeat again, if you like any of the sarees, all you have to do is just take the screenshot along with the item code and send it to our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is 9696669966. Next saree. So here we have grey with black color combination, and the saree has got all over golden zari booties design on the body and a very small border. It's in black color. It's a golden zari kaddi border. See the pallu. It's ethnic. It's a designer pallu, and this is a blouse of the saree. It's a black color plain blouse with border. So the item code for this saree is LV1412, and reverse price of this saree is 18,245 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have another unique saree. So with a very unique combination. It's a ocean green with red color combination. All over the body it has got silver zari checks with leafy booties. And see the border. It's a red color gala open border. You can see here it has got temple design as well. And here's a very pretty pallu. It's in red color, silver zari design rich pallu. Finally, this is the blouse. It's a red color plain blouse with border. So the item code for this saree is LV4130, and reverse price of this saree is 23,545 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have light blue with grey color combination saree. As I told you, we have a very amazing collection today. See this saree. It has got silver zari checks with golden zari booties all over the body, and I've got a very big border here. It's a traditional border with golden zari small kairi flower designer booties. And see the pallu, very pretty one. It's a rich pallu with mango design. And this is the blouse of the saree. It's a grey color contrast silver zari checks blouse with border. So the item code for this beautiful saree is LV1389 and reverse price of the saree is 27,395 rupees only. Next saree. Wow. We have a very beautiful saree here. So it's a green with purple color combination. You can see here it has a double tone. And all over the body it has got plain with gold and silver zari rudraksha booties, and also it has got a kairi booties as well. You can have a close look. It looks very pretty. You see the border, very big one with green and purple color designer border. You can see it has got red color design as well, and a very pretty pallu, double tone designer rich pallu. And this is a blouse. It's ethnic. See, it's a purple color plain blouse with border. And the item code is LV4128 and reverse price of the saree is 21,745 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have another red color saree. It's with grey color combination. And see the body. It has got all over rudraksha golden zari booties with a very big border here. It's a traditional border with plate and kairi design. Also it has got temple design as well. And this is a beautiful pallu. It's a grand rich pallu with flower and kairi design. And here we have a pretty blouse. It's a contrast color blouse. It's in grey color and it's plain with border. So the item code for the saree is LV2563 and reverse price of the saree is 25,645 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have the last saree for today's live. It's in grey color in combination with black color. See, it has got a very pretty design on the body. It's a plain with small zari buttas. And see the border, contrast one, that is black color designer border with temple design as well. And contrast pallu. See, it looks ethnic with this rich design and kairi design you can see here. And here we have a very beautiful blouse. Looks very attractive. See, that's in black color and it's plain with border. And the item code is L6415 and reverse price of the saree is 19,495 rupees only. So yeah, this is all about our collections today. Very beautiful collection. I'll be back with many pretty and amazing collections in our next live. Until then, take care. Bye bye.